Hello, friends! Let's go to the red hill and slide down on a big leaf today.
Whoa! Let's go!
Look! Those guys just finished with their race. Let's pick a leaf here.
I'll take this one.
Just follow my lead, okay? There's a rock ahead. Lean slowly to avoid it.
Okay.
Whoa! What is happening?
Calm down. You just need to lean forward.
Oh, okay.
Remember to trust the leaf.
I love the wind in my hair.
Let's race down the hill.
Yeah!
Let's go faster.
So who won?
I think it's a tie.
I think we are all winners.
That was so fun. Wanna go again?
Yeah!